Welcome to The Reasonable Search, a channel dedicated to law enforcement with the purpose of critiquing police interactions with the public to educate and protect the rights of citizens. The commentary in this video is my own opinion and not representative of any police department or to be considered legal advice. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed in Texas and was originally posted on the YouTube channel Freedom from Government. See the original video link in the description. This is a traffic stop encounter filmed from the driver's point of view between him and a Texas trooper. The driver seems to be a sovereign citizen, and although he doesn't mention that term, he believes traffic laws don't apply to him.
Yes, sir.
Hey, good morning, sir. Hey, I'm with the Texas Highway Patrol. Now, you're stopped today because your speed was confirmed over the speed limit back there. Let's see your license and your insurance, please.
So you're saying I violated some sort of transportation code?
Yes, sir. Speeding.
Okay.
I need to see your driver's license and your insurance, please, and we can talk.
Okay. Well, I'm letting you know that I'm not here in a commercial capacity.
Okay.
I'm not carrying people for a fee,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm not carrying any cargo for a fee.
Okay.
I'm actually just traveling.
Right.
So those laws are actually for commercial reasons, not for personal reasons, not for...
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I just need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance for the vehicle, okay?
Okay.
The driver was driving 30 miles an hour over the speed limit. These talking points of traveling and driving do not align with the U.S. Constitution and state constitutions. Traffic laws within each state fall under the 10th Amendment and are states' rights to make laws within their jurisdictions. It seems like it's not this trooper's first time dealing with these types of objections. The trooper is great at keeping a de-escalated tone and asking for the same paperwork in different ways.
I don't... There's not a crime that's been committed, so...
Yes, sir. The speed limit here is 65, and your
Right,
speed was confirmed over the speed limit.
Okay.
You're traveling on a public roadway.
Okay. Again, that is... make sure we're recording this. That is for... There you go. That is for a commercial vehicle. I'm not a commercial vehicle. Those
Okay.
speed limits are set for commercial vehicles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir.
Am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go.
Okay.
I need to see your driver's
Am I
license.
under arrest?
Technically, this is an arrest. You're not.
Okay.
You are not being
Okay.
placed under
If
arrest
I'm-
and going to jail.
Okay. If this
Sir,
is a custodial
sir,
arrest. This is a
listen.
custodial arrest, right? Okay. What department are you with?
Texas Department of Public Safety.
Okay.
With
What's
the
your
Texas
name?
Highway Patrol.
What's your name?
I'm Trooper Taylor.
Trooper.
The driver is delaying by not surrendering a license under Texas law. The driver is committing or has committed 2 misdemeanors and possibly a third, financial responsibility. He starts the methods of asking if he's being detained and free to go. This stop is a seizure under the 4th Amendment, and although not technically a custodial arrest, the driver is subject to a citation or citations in lieu of arrest. Nevertheless, he is not free to go.
Texas Department of Public Safety.
Okay.
With
What's
the Texas
your
Highway
name?
Patrol.
What's your name?
I'm Trooper Taylor.
Trooper Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Trooper Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I under arrest? Is this a custodial arrest?
Yes.
Okay. Can you go ahead and read me my Miranda rights, please? My Miranda
what?
warnings. You said I'm under arrest. Okay, that's the law. Is that now I want you to give me my Miranda warnings.
For what reason?
Because you said I'm under arrest.
That's right. Like I said, it's a traffic arrest. It's a traffic stop.
Okay.
Okay.
The law doesn't differentiate whether it's traffic or murder. Okay. If I'm under arrest, then you are required to give me my Miranda rights. Go ahead and give me my Miranda rights.
Okay. All right. This is evidence against you in court. You have the right to have a lawyer present to it before and during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. If you are too poor to hire a lawyer, you have the right to have a lawyer appointed by the court to advise you before and during any questioning. You have the right to terminate this interview at any time. Now, I need to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance for the vehicle.
Okay. So you said I have the right to remain silent, correct?
Right. You don't have to say anything.
Right.
I need to see your driver's license and your
Right.
insurance.
Anything I say can and be used against me in a court of law. Is
Right.
that correct? If I give you my driver's license
Mhm.
and I give you proof of insurance, you can use that against me in a court of law. So why would I want to give that to you? I'm going to go ahead and
required by law.
Miranda warnings are not required to be read on every arrest. Only when a person is not free to leave and a custodial interrogation is taking place. This is just another tactic for this driver to delay. But I love how the trooper just entertains the driver's request. He's in de-escalation mode and goes along to keep the peace.
Anything I say can be used against me.
Right.
So if I give you something, it can be used against me. Okay. Why would I give you something that can be used against me? You told me that. No, you told me that was a right. I have the right. So I'm going to exercise my right to remain silent. I want my attorney since I'm under arrest. Okay. And I am going to exercise the fact that I can't give you anything because you can use that against me.
I'm not trying to use anything against you.
Well, you could, is the thing. You want to read those Miranda rights again?
Sir, to operate a vehicle on the roadway, you're required to have your driver's license, okay?
Sir?
And you're required to follow the speed limit.
If I'm operating under a commercial reason, okay? Not if I am just traveling. I told you I am just traveling in my private conveyance. So that law does not apply to me. So now you don't have probable cause anymore.
Yes,
am I free to go?
No, you are not free to go.
Okay.
Sir.
I suggest you call your supervisor right here because you obviously don't understand the law. Sir. You just read me my Miranda rights.
Okay.
Okay.
Listen, I need your driver's license and proof of insurance. The faster we do that, the faster we can both get out of here.
Sir. Sir.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're very clear on this. You read my Miranda rights. You want to read them again?
No, sir.
Okay. So I am not going to answer any questions. I'm going to remain silent.
That's fine.
I cannot give you anything because if I give you something, that you can use that against me in a court of law.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Sir.
Do you understand that?
Understand what?
That if I give you something, you can use that against me in a court of law. Why would I give you something?
Because it's required by law.
Okay.
You broke the law. You were traveling at a speed greater than the speed limit.
If I'm under arrest, I'll be glad to ID.
Okay, let me see some identification.
I give you a verbal ID.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, if you say I'm under arrest, then I'll give you a verbal ID. I don't see how I could be under arrest when I haven't broken the law.
What's your verbal ID?
Okay, first name is Edward.
That's Edward?
Correct.
Okay, so do you have a driver's license?
Sir, I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay.
Just as you read my Miranda rights.
Do you have proof of financial responsibility for the vehicle?
I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay. All right, well, let's see what we got. All right, sir.
Am I free to go?
No.
Okay.
All right, so do you have any suspensions, any warrants on your license right now?
Sir, I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay. All righty, sir. Well, here's the deal. Back there at FM 523, your speed was confirmed at 92 miles per hour. Okay? Speed limit here is 65. So you are going to receive a citation for your speed today, okay? Do you have insurance for the truck?
Sir, again.
Okay, I'll check it on my side. Just hang on one second. Sir. You can just sign here on the X. And signing here, it's not a plea of guilt, it's a promise to make contact with the court. You're going to make contact with Judge Davis here in Angleton on or before February 6th. All right.
Can I see that?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I disagree with this.
Okay. You're not going to sign it?
I like my attorney now since I'm under arrest.
Okay. So are you going to sign this or no?
I would like my attorney, sir.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, this has all your information on it and what you need to do to be able to contact Judge Davis, okay? There's a phone number and an address on there, okay? All right, sir. Well, just be safe driving, okay? And slow it down a little bit.
After all that, the trooper was successful in issuing a citation, which was his goal of the stop. He showed calm restraint and prevailed because he did not have to escalate or use force. As for the driver, I don't believe his traveling versus driving defense will be successful in court, but he will have his day in court. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.